was even forced to join the training without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They're telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
You requested for a visit today, and it was approved, sir, right?
We have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to, and we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say about the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital.
I hope.
But not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated?
Not zero, sir. We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now. He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Oh, God. Doon sa ambulance sumakay?
Sinakay siya sa ambulance. Binigay lang namin yung mga records sa kanya. Sabi, he will be well taken care of. And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot ang ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now. Because the family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes. How is the Vice President?
Well, she's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the President would want to see one of the members of his
Yes. So, Sec, the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for her visit now?
That's what we are arranging, but we are at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna pa ba kayo?
Alis ako dito. Pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh.
Anong gusto nila gawin? Standby ako dito. Lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response niya sa inang nag-request for a visit?
Wala. Ayan.
Sinabi na sa usapan nila. Tama.
Walang pwesto may delivery.
Pero sir, the embassy, if you're allowed a visit, ano kayang pinagmumulan niyo?
Ano yan? Right ng accusation to be like counsel.
They scheduled like Thursday, so parang deadline.
I don't know that, but ako, as far as my understanding of the law is, he has the right to counsel anytime.
And you're acting as an official?
One of the counsel, and they don't even recognize my appearance here.
No.
I don't know if he is like that.
Hindi pa po kayo nagkita?
Nag-usap na kami sa telepono, pero wala pang ano. So, tapos naman,
okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nakakalungkot po ang nagsalita po si Esme Daldia. Ang sabi niya dito sa facilities na ito wala daw dito si President. Hindi pa niya nakikita hanggang ngayon dahil mag-isa lang po siyang nakasakay sa ambulance nung pagbaba sa airport. Hindi po siya kasama. So ngayon si VP Sara po ay nakausap lang niya sa telepono. So no one of the members visited him. Yeah. So ito po here ang nurse ni President PRRD, andito po si May, pero hindi rin niya nakita si President. Ang gamot, hindi po napainom si President. Walang yeah, that's
Dito kami ni-refer kasi sila nasa computer.
andyan, meron kaming kuwan.
Sabi na Duterte.
Andyan siya, maggawa daw.
Nandun siya sa detention na.
Hindi, pagpasok natin. Ngayon, ang sabi nila kay ES Mindaldia, wala daw siya dito. Tinapos talaga sila.
Sila yes, ganina nang utang.
Pagsunod na to kaganiha. Tinitingnan pa namin kung kami ay makapasok. He's a lawyer ni PRRD. Therefore, pwede siyang pumasok. Ba't kami pinoproseso pa yung aming appointment?
Yes, I'm Gary from the Philippine Embassy. Yes. I'm here with the legal counsel of the President Duterte. Okay. And they have an request. Please send us the number.
Okay, what's our appointment date?
Not yet. They are following up on the visit request.
Okay, just a moment.
Yes. So the email was sent a few hours ago.
I understand, but there need to be made an appointment before I can let anyone in.
Okay.
So if you can call maybe someone who's inside, maybe make an appointment so they put you in the system.
Okay. So can you refer us to someone we can call now?
No, I don't have any numbers for that department right now.
Right.
And maybe you can, I think online or something, maybe you know somebody who can give you a phone number.
Yeah.
I can give it from here.
So what we have, and we have seen the request, is an email address. And it was...
Is there a phone number in the email address?
No, there is none.
Okay, you can reply me with the email address so they send you a number you can call.
Right. Well, I will ask because it's not from the embassy, it's from the legal counsel.
Okay. Yeah, that's the only thing I can help you with right now.
Right.
I need somebody who can sign the system so I can label it.
Okay. Okay.
Only way.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, this is not a joke.
Halika na. Nakapasok man kami.
We have from the KSC.
Okay, can I have your passport tonight?
I even have the phone. Pero walang number po. Basta search. Parang sabi niya, nawalan daw. Parang nilagay.
So nakalabas po tayo dahil ang sabi no filming inside, pero andoon po yung si ES Medaldia at ang abogado, isang abogado at isang Pilipina from Philippine Embassy. Lahat po dito ay ABS-CBN TV5 and yung isa doon mga Pilipinos po dito ngayon. They are getting, but kami po kumuha na rin kami, nag-email na kami, 5 ang pwedeng magkapasok. So, andyan pa po sila gumagawa ng kung sino ang matawagan. Hello. Hello. Kasama ako sa kasama. Ipak mo na lang. Yeah, what happened? Landa.
So that we need to
What?
do it via on the website.
Website. What? The ES Medallia, the lawyer also of the president, 2 lawyers of the president inside.
You cannot go inside?
They do same as what we do. We have to process the
pamakukumudad siya na sport.
Si Mideldia? Pete, hold this one. Pete, hold that. I got inside.
You go inside?
I said we can do the interpreter for Dutch, but they said they talk already in English. They can understand. Okay, it's all right. Sabi lang ga, aging na ako nga, we can do the interpreter, but they said,
Nakita man daw nurse nga makabisaya og Dutch. Kamuman ko.
Yung babae kasi ang nagsabi, nilapitan ko na sila. Sinapitan ko na sila na we can do the interpreter. But they are doing the same what we are doing.
Yeah, but ayaw man nurse.
But
nag-request man. Nag-request man siya gabi.
Ano kasi dyan?
Atoy, ayaw dala ng bag. Kaya basi masuko sila. Atoy lang si Meteldia. Sige.
Basta lang daw. Sige.
And the man here said that we just need to know that the email has been received. And yes. Okay.
Nga daw ata? Di ko lang kabalot pag numero.
Right now we are speaking with the detention center itself. You are from the detention center. Yes, and yes. And is there nothing in your email system of this request from Mr. One moment, madam. So then let me just check the complete address.
Kasi the email ba naman to Brad?
Email address?
I go to the door, I will make the best of it.
But the number, download na. Hindi na kuhan. Is there any problem? Password number.
Atong gusto niyo ba niya? Wala talaga kuhan?
Submit.
Hindi man nila siya.
There's something wrong with the... Wala. Dito man mo sulod. Nakasulod?
Wala.
Tabangay daw mo. Magaling yan ng internet. How you can do it?
Okay, so that email to the ICC detention business email address has not been forwarded to this facility. Is that what you are saying, madam? Right. Okay, so madam, for the legal counsel to request restitution and
merong wrong.
First the day, then the month, and then
so it's still an ICC here.
just in 3.
Day.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we will do that.
33.
It should be 13, then 3.
Yeah, expired should be.
Yes, thank you so much, my friend.
Maybe, I don't know. Passport number.
Yeah.
This is the number from your passport. Here, 592. 592. Yeah, it's not. This is not.
Di ba may telephone tayong natawagan, naka-email.
Person lang ito.
Hindi, naka-kuha na tayo ba? Naka-email, naka-email, pero they have no telephone number. Sila kailangan niya.